stop guessing on the Brawl Stars Store codes. This is exactly how you beat it, without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong, because they tell you to click random tiles and hope for the best. But before we enter the room, you need to understand the logic, or you will just get stuck again. Here at Rexish, we do things differently, and we're going to solve this hand in hand, so you cannot fail. Walk up to the main shop menu and realize that creator codes like Kairos, OJ, Lex, and Ashness are actually part of a support system that resets every 7 days. The secret trick that other creators missed is the audio cue. Every time the correct code is successfully entered in the Content Creator Boost box, there's a distinct high-pitched hum and a confirmation chime that tells you your purchase support is active. Now, start with the third tile from the left on the bottom row of the shop to reach the resources section. Do not rush it. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner and select the blue change icon in the boost area. You are doing great. Now, the final sequence requires you to hold the shift key while clicking the center button to confirm your chosen creator. This bypasses the fake out timer that usually kicks players out of the room if they take too long to decide on creator. By following this exact path, you bypass the trapdoor and the success window will slide open immediately. If you want a solution for the even harder puzzles in room 99, let me know in the comments.